up, you guys? Welcome back to our channel. My name is Trevelon.
It's your boy Jai.
And today we're gonna do the I think it's like the karaoke ride along playlist thing. If we sound a little weird, that's because we already in the car. So we're gonna play a few songs off the playlist, and I'm just gonna start at the top of the playlist and let the music play.
Let's do.
Well, once y'all start the car,
we gotta start this one. Oh, you hear that human? Let me see.
Why are you doing this shit?
Oh, you get working your shoulders. How you doing?
Hey, you just working your shoulders. Yeah, he literally act like this every time we get in the car.
Shit, I be lit everywhere I go.
I hope you lit enough to see them cars. So I think we're gonna call this our Ratchet playlist. Cause I got some Ratchet songs on my phone.
I'm rolling like an 18-wheeler.
Throw that fucking ass. Throw that fucking ass.
Throw it.
I can get out at the red light.
Fuck no, you can get out of those goddamn red lights. Working me. Oh,
she working me.
she on her knees. She on her knees.
No,
Working knees.
Really?
Whoa, whoa.
She just popped a perk to say I hurt her knees.
She hurt her. On her knees. On her knees. Got it!
What?
She said her name.
I'ma just continue to the face.
You wanna drink some later tonight?
I can let that good pussy go.
If you drink some later tonight, you gonna be that bagging it up.
But I know you see me in this bitch.
Bitch, I'm doing my thing. Zero sick up and retarded, super tall in this bitch.
And we're looking at the bars, stuff that raw in this bitch. You all the time, I'm in my prime. I went and flooded my wrist, bitch, and bumping still style. We gon' start this shit. You say you're young in TTG. He turned to gold, or my young in the BBG, and all you know is blow. We gon' make her at the corner store. Heard you want a nigga that's gon' please you. Suck your toes, get down, please you. She said, babe, I'm nasty, I say me too. Girl, you addicted and I need you. She said, babe, I'm nasty, I say me. Why you messing with the head of the rap?
What I'm doing?
I ain't asked you what you was doing. I asked you why you was messing with the air.
What's wrong with that?
I'm a bar spitter. I'm a hard hitter. Yeah, I'm light skinned, but I'm still a dog nigga.
No, I'm not high. You turn the air down. You probably trying to turn the heat on.
No, I'm hot.
Everything that I've been tripping, I'm tripping, that's how I do. This feeling you keep giving, and I keep giving, you know. That could be the perfect young nigga for you. Hey, that bitch. Did you see that call?
What happened? They had a wreck?
They had plenty of wrecks in that bitch. Oh, 400.
Who that is? Who's 400?
Oh, why the church?
Why?
Make the preacher sweat.
You can buy what Jesus sweat. Bitch said that she gon' try me, how come I ain't seen it yet? Gave it to him so good that his eyes rolled back. Shorty said it's all hers, why thighs don't match. Get the motherfucking roll on. I know shorty if she doesn't want a song.
Had a man last year, life goes on. Haven't let that thing loose, girl, it's so long. You ain't inside, know you like to lay low. I've been peeping what you bringing to the table. Working hard,
I ain't going nowhere, so get used to this. You throw shade up a dude, but that be my dick. Got him feeling like I'm gonna make me know this shit. Room takes the time for us, I can't stand that bitch. That's why he fucking with me. And then I tell him pull up, then you know he come and get me. I'm not gonna go to miss it. And then I pull up past down, baby. Cause he know that song. I'm a real water girl, boy, you better know. I wasn't gonna do it either. I sure like this song. This my song.
Y'all listen to shit. Go ahead, turn it up. Listen to shit.
I'm about to eat that
Oh.
All of these.
Josh go in and slow somebody like that for that.
I just text my man. I ain't coming home. I just text my man.
Fucking loud.
She's my main thing.
She makes me feel alright. She makes my heart sing.
And when I'm feeling low,
She comes in no surprise.
turn me on with her love.
Take me to paradise. Look, this the part that you really supposed to feel.
You're a bad head, that's why you feel it. You don't feel that shit? I do, but they don't know why you feel it. Josh don't like this song either. Oh, you bucked up and stuffed up and you ain't got no mind? They still ringing and my chain still slinging.
Bitch, I get your mind right. Your motherfucking mind right.
You get the bag, fumble it. I get the bag and flip it and tumble it. Trap a lot, 300 cash, and it cocaine with a blunt. She got ass and she gon' fuck up a bag. From the front door to the back, we fucking non-stop, boy, say my name. We no one ain't no ride, we be making real love. The 7-1 bar really know how to fuck.
Sit on that Peter Wacker. Bitch, sit on that Peter Wacker.
You said bitch, so you might as well say what she said.
Peter Wacker, Peter Wacker, Peter Wacker.
First shot off, she told me take me on a bank. That fishy food nigga about to put it in my tank. Then straight to the line we go. This whole tray stay
What it say?
on Tupelo.
Damn. That's far as fuck.
On Tupelo.
Bitch, wait.
You know I
Fire!
My shoulders.
You know I walk in, working my shoulder. You know I walk in, working my shoulder. You know I walk in, working my shoulder.
I bear a nigga up.
Bear a nigga up.
Oh.
Bear a nigga up.
Oh. Ratchet.
Alright, you guys, this is going to be the end of our video.
Hope you guys enjoyed y'all ride along, sing along.
Y'all Ratchet ride along.
You know what I'm saying? Hopefully we got y'all in the mood to go ahead and bow, 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 bow.
Make sure you like this video.
Comment on this video.
And subscribe to our channel.
And share our video, please. And also, man, y'all give us some feedback on our videos, please. So we can know what y'all like and what y'all don't like. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, tell us what y'all want to see.
Yeah, whatever y'all want to see, just put it down below. You know, it's cool.
We reading the comments.
All of them.
And we liking comments.
All of
them.
them.
Might not comment back yet, but I'm reading them.
All of them.
But that being said, make sure you tell somebody about us so they can tell somebody else about us.
Please.
And we'll see y'all later.
Yay. No hands. Oh, you did. Bye.